Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Now this is an 18.5 kilowatt inverter driving pumps. Now what may have happened here, as you can see, there was a melted connection on the terminal that resulted in a fire, really. Now someone has really tried to remove this board, and I mean really tried. As the company really doesn't want you to fix this. As you can see, there is a coil, capacitors, and the transistor back here, that they are all glued in the case. So in order to do anything on this piece of machine, you really have to remove all these huge solder points. I mean, the transistor is the easiest one, in order to even check the good side of this one. Now, as you can see, someone tried and managed to remove it, though have created many problems. Let's see here. Number one, screwdriver there, pins bent and missing. The coil here has all the holes from the PCB removed. So I mean, you can't really force it out now, can you? And here are the results on the PCB. Some destroyed resistors here. Here is the fight for the capacitors, and here is the fight for the coil. And we have a bit of a missing part there. Now there is our connection for the terminal. Most of these operate with a three-phase supply. Here is the input and here is the output to the motor. All peripherals are connected to the CPU, which sits over on top of all of this. Before I go, there is a video I wanted to do for some time about the design aspects of new machinery. This is a very expensive piece of equipment. It's made by Xylem, which is top of the line brand, and these machines do fail, and they make it pretty much unfixable, or really problematic and time consuming. Tell me if you think that's a video you would like to see. Now, what do you think about this one? See you on the next one. Bye.